So this is the city of Dan, and these are ruins from the time of King Ahab. And what happened here was that when the nation of Israel split into two between the north and the south, the leader of the north that became the nation of Israel was Jeroboam. So they had the 10 tribes in the north, and the south had the 2 tribes of Judah and Benjamin. But Jeroboam had to figure out a political and military strategy of keeping people away from the south, from Jerusalem, because that's where the temple was. And so what he did, it explains here in 1 Kings chapter 12, and it happens right here on this site. So Jeroboam thought to himself, this is what 1 Kings 12 says, 26 through 30. Jeroboam thought to himself, the kingdom will now likely revert to the house of David. If these people go up to offer sacrifices at the temple of the Lord in Jerusalem, they will again give their allegiance to their Lord, Rehoboam, king of Judah. So you had Rehoboam, who was David's grandson, the son of Solomon, in the south, and he messed up, and that's part of the reason why the north seceded from the south. And Jeroboam was the king in the north, in the nation of Israel. Israel in the north, Judah in the south. And he said, they will kill me and return to King Rehoboam. After seeking advice, the king made 2 golden calves. He said to the people, it is too much for you to go to Jerusalem. Here are your gods, Israel. He made 2 golden calves. Can you believe it? The golden calf comes back again after Mount Sinai. So he says, here are your gods, Israel, who brought you up out of Egypt. One he set in Bethel, and the other in Dan. This is Dan. This is the spot right here where Jeroboam put the golden calf. And this thing became a sin. The people came to worship the one at Bethel and went as far as Dan to worship the other, right here. The priestly chambers over here. Here's the altar. Crazy, right? The golden calf comes back after Mount Sinai. After Moses is on Mount Sinai, he's taken a long time, and the people make a golden calf and they worship it. And Moses breaks the tablets, and then you think they would have learned their lesson. And of course, I'm not judging them, because there's all kinds of stuff I do again and again and again, and I haven't learned my lesson. But they once again make golden calves, and they put one of them right here. This is a bad spot here in the city of Dan.